It is extremely important for York University to be part of the team because we cherish the chance to be able to work collaboratively with the best brains, best minds in Ontario. The Ontario Cancer Biomarker Network comprises a central laboratory at Mars, but it has member labs, member organizations throughout Ontario. The network is important because it allows us a chance to work together. So us meaning the academic researchers, clinicians, and also scientists in the industry. The biomarker field is extremely complex, well, so is cancer. What we want to be able to do is to ensure that fewer patients will die from cancer. We want to make sure that the patients are given the right kind of therapy, and want to make sure that we actually defeat cancer, this awful disease, hopefully in the near future. One of the projects that my team at York University is participating in is to find biomarkers for ovarian cancer. So the whole idea is to be able to discover these biomarkers and then use them to be able to diagnose the disease in patients earlier and hopefully forecast the outcome of the patients in a better fashion so that we can actually work with clinicians to design the best therapy to move forward. And we will be collaborating and involving the network in order to actually move it towards a commercial test. Well, there is no doubt I love my work. It is a fantastic place to work, York University, because it allows us the chance to be in the forefront of what we do. The Center for Research in Mass Spectrometry is one of the largest, the most advanced center of its kind in the world. A mass spectrometer, to put it in the simplest description, is a very sensitive and accurate electronic balance. Unfortunately, when one develops cancer, one also develops certain signature of the cancer. And what we're looking at is the protein, is the molecular signature. And mass spectrometry is really a wonderful technique that allows to do it. You'll appreciate that it is extremely important for us to be able to have the best tool, and we like to think that we contribute towards the development of the best tool. So the Center for Research in Mass Spectrometry is not only a hub for research, it is also a major institution for teaching and training. There is a faculty list of 12. There are faculty members who are interested in atmospheric pollutants. There are faculty members who are interested in atomic ions, and there are those faculty members who are interested in proteins and peptides. I have an industrial research chair supported by one of the leading manufacturers of mass spectrometers, MDS Analytical Technologies, and it's only about 15 minutes away from York University. The ability to work with industry is extremely important to me because we like to be able to work with the best technologies, and because in mass spectrometry we are always pushing the limit of the sensitivity because cancer is a very complex disease. So it is important to have the most sensitive tool, and we are working actively with MDS Analytical Technologies to develop the next generation mass spectrometric tools. We are fortunate enough to have an extremely productive working relationship. It's also great for my group because a lot of my students and postdocs end up working there. Well, Toronto is an extremely important region, not only because of its number of research universities, but also because of the large number of teaching hospitals. We have scientists and clinicians working together, and I work with a number of hospitals in the downtown area. My major hospital is the Mount Sinai Hospital. I have been working with the pathologist there for now over 7 years, and together we've discovered a large number of biomarkers. We also have a number of grants together, so it's a wonderful, wonderful relationship. We like to think that because of our collaboration with downtown hospitals, we are in the position to be able to work effectively with industries.